So we are out here about 12 p.m. We have the sun almost behind us, a little bit to the right. I have to have my camera on shutter speeds 200, f11. We have the flash on full power to overpower the sun from behind. Logan, me, and Tony are slowly walking up the beach to get a whimsical, airy portrait of Logan. I'm stationary, so I'm going to go at a big distance away from them as they slowly walk up the beach.
Hello, I'm Logan. I'm a local from Morehead City, and today we are visiting the beautiful Fort Macon of Atlantic Beach.
I'm Tony. I'm going to be the grip today. I'm going to be holding the B500 and the new folding SMDB flip box, the 24 by 24 inch. It's a beautiful day out here, so this should be a lot of fun.
Same thing, and I like when you fix your hair, it looks like, this is basically like you're about to go back to college, it's your last semester, right? And yeah, just flowing on the beach. Slowly, looking out there, if Tony's gonna light you up. Slowly walk. Slowly, a lot slower. Okay, let's stay right there for a sec. You know what I mean? So, whimsical, walking on the beach. I left visiting my mom, going back to college. I had a really good time with my mom. She fed me really well. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna just walk slowly, enjoying the beach. It's a beachy, and we need this light to light your face up. Now I'm gonna back up more. So Tony's just gonna follow you, but you're just gonna like walk, you're enjoying the beach looking that way. Let me see what it looks like before we do it. Wait, that's way too fast. Think like do you have a grandma? You're walking with grandma at the mall. Unless you have a very sporty grandma and she's like like if she's an Olympian speed walker, we have to go a lot slower. Your face, Tony, it's right on her face, right? So, okay, so we're gonna slowly walk. Tony, if you need to make the legs shorter so you can walk better. All right, give me a second, slow down. Nice and slow. And you can just, don't keep your lips together, just like breathe through your mouth a little bit. Remembering this really nice ocean smell, which it does smell really nice. Give me 1 second. So Tony's gonna you're gonna walk together in harmony. Slowly walk. Flash is going off, right, Tony? Yep. Slowly walking, enjoying hairs out of your face a little bit. Oh, fixing your hair. Nice job. Look at you go. Always face the light on the model. So you're pretty much gonna walk a straight line, and then I'm just really, really slow. Try not to block your face. Just let the wind take your hair back. Slow. Wait till no. Slowly walk up. Looking that way. Breathe into your mouth. Enjoying the day. The weekend before you go back home to school. All right, stop for a sec. Tony, can you come this way a little bit? Be about about that far away. Yep. Watch out for you. Are those waterproof? Oh. Okay, nice and slow, looking at the ocean, smiling. You had a great weekend. Slow down, a lot slower. Like, almost like you're like, because Tony has to walk backwards. You can take the hair out of your face. Yeah, slowly. All right, stop for a sec. Okay, like a lot slower. You can hold your dress a little bit if you're like, hey, it's windy out here, I'm having a good time. 22? I'm 22, almost done with college. Physical, you doing sports? Wow, as you get older, you're very happy when you get your memory back. So a big tip is if you see the horizon, you do not want to have the person's head above the horizon. You want to raise your camera a little higher so her head is within the ocean, not breaking the horizon line. So I'm going to raise my camera up a little higher so we can have Logan be within the water for separation from her and the blue background. If I photograph low, she would be cut off. She would be cut off on her body. So this is a big tip. If there's a horizon, if you're on the beach or someplace where there's something cutting through the body or cutting through the head, remove any distraction. So if you notice something's distracting, what's nice is in photography, try to remove it. So I noticed that I was cutting the horizon on her head. So we're just gonna do the back and you can look for, Kelly, can you do me a favor, come this way a little bit? Whimsical. Don't go too whimsical. Just like you're just flowing around, because it's basically I'm looking for one really nice image right now. Do me a favor, back up about, She's looking really great. You can pop your hands down. It's like do your flowy dressy thing. Look towards that light. Happy, hands down. And look at me. Give me 1 second. Come over here for me. Do the dressy thing. Come a little closer. A little closer. You can just hold it like that. And right here. Right here with your eyes. Nice. Okay. All set. Should have one, right? Mm-hmm. Can you see?
Yeah.
We have one?
Yeah.
That you're happy with?
Yeah.
Go. Slowly, very slow. Slow down. Happy. Wind's blowing. You're walking like a model, crossing your feet over. Smiling with your teeth. You have a great smile. We just completed the first portrait on the beach. We had a very bright sun, but we have a gorgeous location, gorgeous model, and the weather is perfect. It's a little windy, but we got very lucky that the wind was facing Logan, so her hair was blowing backwards. Using the B500, we had it at full power to overpower the sun, and for the few images that we took a peek at, it was amazing. I would not be able to do this without using this flash, a powerful flash like this.
Yes, it was very fun and very easy, and it was just like a normal day walking on the beach. Comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.